with Resource Investing News, and here today with me is Greg Johnson, President and CEO of Wellgreen Platinum. Thank you for joining me.
It's a pleasure.
Great. So you recently released your PEA for the Wellgreen project. Okay.
Yeah, this has been the culmination of 2 years of hard work by our team. We've raised over $20 million last year to go into these studies. Demonstrates that the project has the potential to be one of the largest and lowest cost platinum, palladium, nickel producers globally.
Great. Are there any other highlights you would point out to investors?
The study demonstrates that it's a very robust project in the sense of the cash flow, the level of production, over 200,000 ounces of PGMs per year, and over 70 million pounds of nickel, making it a significant project for both metals.
Oh, that's great. Now, in the PEA, you show a range of metals prices. What was the reasoning behind that?
The idea with the PEA is you're trying to demonstrate for the investor both what long-term prices might look like based on analyst consensus. We included the Bloomberg 2018 price projections, as well as more near-term, a spot price deck, which is current prices, and kind of what is consensus in the industry right now for kind of longer-term outlook. So kind of $3 copper price, $8 nickel, in the $1,400 price for platinum.
Sure, okay. Now, the mill at Wellgreen is going to produce a bulk concentrate that contains nickel, copper, platinum group metals, gold, and cobalt. Is that standard for projects like that?
So this particular kind of project is what we call a polymetallic deposit. That means that the platinum and the palladium and the nickel and the copper all co-occur together. Mm-hmm. So when we mine a ton of ore, we get all these metals. Right. We crush the material very finely. We use a process called flotation, which is the conventional processing that's used for this kind of deposit, to create a concentrate, and that concentrate is then shipped to a smelter for processing. We're also looking at opportunities for some on-site processing, and this is an opportunity that may allow us to get additional recovery of our platinum group metals, but our base case was all assumed on transport of a concentrate, likely to Asia or one of the other large smelting groups.
Okay, sure. Can you talk more about the potential to profit from the exotic platinum group metals or other opportunities to extract further value from the project?
Yeah, this is something that's pretty exciting about Wellgreen. You know, many platinum projects don't have these exotic platinum group metals. This includes rhodium, iridium, osmium, ruthenium, names that you don't hear very often. These are used in various technologies and used in catalytic converters. And the Wellgreen deposit was developed as a high-grade underground mine in the 1970s, and their concentrates contained significantly elevated levels of these rare metals. So our studies are now looking at the potential that in addition to our base case, which was platinum and palladium, with a little bit of gold, that we may have significant enrichment in these based on our testing, our metallurgical tests, and that material may be recovered and add new value that was not shown in the economics of the PEA.
Okay, that sounds very exciting.
Well, we do think it's going to be an exciting year. We've had a couple of exciting years, and we're cautiously optimistic that the market ahead will be supportive of stories like Wellgreen. Yes.
Okay, well, thank you for joining me today. Wellgreen trades under the symbol WG on the TSX, and I'm Charlotte McLeod with Resource Investing News.